Welcome to how to fix the unable to delete a file or folder error. This is the folder I want to delete. It shows the error above. You've tried deleting it many times but still failed. Could not find this item. This is no longer located. Follow these steps to delete this folder. Search box. CMD. Command prompt. Run as administrator. Enter the following command. Road /s quotation mark // question mark /. Enter this strange command. Path to the folder or file you want to delete. Copy. Paste. Enter. Yes. Capital Y. Enter. Folder deleted successfully. Thank you for watching.